What is up everyone, this is Karen here. Welcome back to Tech Karen YouTube channel. You probably noticed if you use some custom rooms on your device, you might get some different launchers. For example, in my case, I'm using a custom room which includes launcher pre-installed. Of course, launcher is quite good in the terms of features and a lot more things. But some of the users don't want launcher because some devices don't have the launcher. Even they has their own launcher, like Nusantara OS has Nusantara launcher and other custom rooms has their own launchers. But if you want Pixel launcher, how you can get that? Let me show you that which file you need. The file you need is Pixel launcher 0129.zip. The link for this file is in the description. This is actually a Magisk module. Sorry, this is actually a recovery module, recovery file. So how you can use this? Let me just tell you. Make sure you have a custom recovery installed on your device. This is the main thing to keep in mind. In my case, I'm using TWRP in my Redmi Note 8. Let me just turn on my brightness little bit more here. Let me just increase my brightness level. Now it's just good. So move on to your install section, go to your location where you have that file. What you need to do is you simply need to click on swipe to confirm flash. This will automatically flash Pixel launcher on your device, and as you can see from this is actually extracted Pixel launcher from FlameG apps. FlameG apps is very good Google Apps package for you. If you use custom room and you use Google Apps, FlameG apps is a very good choice for you. But you want Pixel launcher, only Pixel launcher, then this is a very good choice. And I tried it on my other devices also, maybe some other custom rooms also. It was working quite good, so I thought I should share with you. This is the updated Pixel launcher. So my previous guide was not working for the updated versions, and I just want to thank to that user who commented there maybe 2 or 3 days ago, if I'm not wrong. He suggested me to make updated video on Pixel launcher, so all thanks to him. We have this Pixel launcher, updated Pixel launcher working, and it should work on almost all devices. In my case, I'm using it on my POSP custom room, where it is working quite good, quite smoothly. I didn't got any kind of issues. So as you can see, it's just rebooted. It's just reboot done, and you need to flash this from custom recovery. After flashing it from custom recovery, after first boot, your device will still be on the default launcher, which is a launcher. Let me just tell you that this is the default launcher, which is called launcher. It's still on launcher. So how you can use the Pixel launcher? It will not delete your default launcher, so make sure to keep this thing in mind. Click on apps and notifications, go to your default apps, click on home app, and you will find the Pixel launcher here. And as you can see, no errors, nothing. The Pixel launcher is here, so there's nothing to worry about. It's just working quite good. This is the updated Pixel launcher you can install on your device. It should work on almost all devices. So this is all from today's video, and all credits goes to its developer who made it possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. A lot of videos will come to you regarding this Pixel launcher and some other Magisk modules and a lot of things. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.